This is basically part fifth of the language. So one of the person told that this is the binary language basically, you can say, but it might be created by lots of system basically. So binary is also basically one of the languages basically, you can say, which is basically merging all the languages basically in this world basically. Whatever basically languages basically exist in this world, that is basically merging the all the languages basically, you can say. So one of the person told that whenever basically the Noval basically boots, that time basically the system basically gets activate, and that basically is taking the data from 200 cities, and that is basically getting boot basically, you can say. So one of the person told that to control the each and every computer areas basically, physical area basically you have to control. So America basically is doing that only basically. They are basically taking the each and every areas. They basically are telling that basically these areas 200 cities basically are here Iran, Greenland, Europe, France, Canada. These all area basically are connected with the boot system basically. So like this basically the boot system basically is getting controlled. So one of the person told that assume that basically boot system basically uh, one of the army person basically told that basically the boot system basically is connected with 300 cities, and that city basically is connected with around 35 nuclear 35 set missiles basically. So whenever basically they want to check basically everything is going fine, that time basically they launch the missile basically, and they check each and every land whether the data is basically perfectly ongoing or not basically. Sometime basically the computer basically doesn't get boot, so that is basically the verification of the missile group basically. So one of the person told that in this world basically around 200 languages are there, that is basically getting merged with one language basically, that is basically given the name as a binary language basically. That binary language basically is created by 100 cities. That binary basically language is created by 100 cities basically, and that city basically is connected with 200 missiles, and that also basically they keeps on checking basically. So America got the information that basically physical place control basically is must, otherwise basically anybody can end America anytime. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.